It is very important to know that when I have a data table like this one, each record, for example this person Victor, this is his passport, this is his specialty, these are his scores, that is, that the whole record is an entity that has to work as a whole. This logically is the case because the data correspond in each row correspond to the data of a record. Each column is a field, so what it lets us do very easily the use when we have them activated. If we see this as a data table, and what we have here in this tab are data. What we do here is sort this table by a given criterion. For example, we are going to sort it by the name. We see that here we have a button, and if we put ourselves in any cell in a given column of a given field, when we hit this button they are going to be sorted alphabetically, in this case from A to Z. Every person with their corresponding data, that is, this is Amparo with her passport, with her group, etc. And this is the first of the list because it starts with an A and her name continues with an M. This is so, and we could do it both from A to Z and from Z to A. Logically we can sort by name or we can sort by number. We can sort the students by increasing or decreasing passport number. We could sort them by speciality, or we can also sort them by score. In any case, the increasing alphabetical order is increasing and decreasing alphabetically is decreasing by score. In short, it is very easy to sort a data table. What we are sure of with Excel, with this tool, is that we will always have the corresponding data. The related data and the columns are not going to become disorganized since they all form part of a table. We wowed also a sort window in which we can even tell it that we can sort by various levels. That is, that first I sort by the score, and if there are two scores that are alike, that it sorts by the score of a given partial score or by speciality, etc. That is, for example, we could tell it to sort first by group and within each group from A to Z, and within each group to sort by speciality after this one from Z to A to have both. We see that first we have all those that are from Group A, and within Group A, Chemistry, Mechanics and Electronics all in order. Next all of those from Group B, Chemistry, Mechanics and Electronics all in order. Y to do's las del Grupo C, Chemistry, Mechanics and Electronics all in order. So we could have many levels of sorting, and we could practically sort the table as we like, as we fancy.